Do you like that sticky glossy orange chicken from Takeout? Today we are making an easy version at home with real oranges and simple ingredients you probably already have, and I will show you exactly what's in the sauce. Most oranges are coated in wax and sometimes a bit of pesticide, and because we are using the zest in the sauce, I like to clean them properly. I wonder, do you wash your oranges or do you just peel and go? To clean them, add about a tablespoon of vinegar to a bowl, a splash of water and 2 oranges. Top up with more water until they are covered. If they float, weigh them down with a small plate. Then set them aside while we prep the chicken. I am using chicken breast cut into bite-sized cubes. If you want this even juicier, use chicken thighs. When it comes to Asian dishes, do you prefer chicken breast or thighs? Move the chicken to a clean bowl. Season with salt and pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of Shaoxing wine, and about a tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix this until all the liquid is absorbed into the meat. This is your first layer of flavor. Now we will turn this into a light batter. Add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of starch, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 medium egg. The basic ratio is 2 parts flour to 1 part starch. If you go 1-to-1 or use only starch, you will get an even crispier crust. Mix everything really well, then add 2 tablespoons of cold water, just enough to get a thick batter that clings to the chicken. Set the chicken aside to rest while we finish the sauce ingredients. Take one of your soaked oranges and give the peel a good scrub with a brush. Grate about 1 tablespoon of orange zest, then juice the oranges until you have around 150 milliliters of juice. On a fine grater, grate about a teaspoon of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. In a bowl, combine the orange juice, the zest, 1 tablespoon of sweet dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Stir it well. Sweet soy sauce is thick, so make sure it's mixed in. Heat a 2 to 3 centimeters layer of oil in a frying pan. You want it hot enough that the batter sizzles immediately. Add the chicken in a single layer. Try not to let the pieces touch. If they stick together, just separate them gently. Fry for about 4 minutes per side until they are golden and crispy. Transfer the fried pieces to a rack. Spread them out and give them a light sprinkle of salt while they are still hot. In a deep pan, add a little oil and a piece of butter. When it's hot, add the grated garlic and ginger and fry quickly, just until fragrant. Add 3 to 6 tablespoons of sugar, depending on how sweet you like it, and let it start to caramelize. Pour in the orange juice mixture and let it bubble and reduce. Do you prefer thin super sweet orange chicken or more tangy and citrusy? If you don't want to wait too long for it to reduce, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of starch with a bit of cold water and add it slowly to the sauce. And here's what happens if you add too much starch at once. It goes super thick, super fast. If that happens, you have 2 options. Turn off the heat now and toss the chicken in the thick sauce or thin it back out. I like to add sesame seeds directly into the sauce and splash of water. The seeds add flavor and cling to the chicken better than if you just sprinkle them on top. Keep adding water a little at a time until you get a syrupy consistency. Add the crispy chicken back into the pan and coat every piece in that glossy orange sauce. If you are confident, you can toss the pan. I am skipping it today because I already mopped and I don't need orange chicken on the floor. Let the chicken heat through for a minute or 2, then we are ready to plate. Crispy, sticky orange chicken with bright flavor, real oranges and simple ingredients. Serve the orange chicken over a bowl of steaming rice and spoon a little extra sauce on top. Finish with freshly chopped green onions for more flavor and color. If you make this orange chicken, will you go full on orange flavor or keep it milder? Give this a try the next time you are craving takeout. You control the sweetness, the orange's intensity, and you know exactly what's in the sauce. If you like easy, cozy chicken dinners, I have got more recipes waiting for you on my channel. Check out my ginger chicken next for another weeknight favorite, and if you want more everyday cooking like this, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you next time, my friends.